Is your organization still running critical data pipelines on SSIS? What worked perfectly for on-premise data warehouses is now slowing down cloud innovation. Today, enterprises are asking one question: how do we move from SSIS to Microsoft Fabric quickly and safely? SSIS has powered enterprise ETL for years, but modern data demands have changed. Organizations face increasing infrastructure maintenance, limited scalability, complex deployments, difficulty integrating analytics, and AI workloads, high operational overhead. Modern analytics requires a cloud-native approach, not legacy pipeline management. Microsoft Fabric introduces a unified data platform combining data engineering, analytics, and business intelligence in one SaaS environment. With Fabric, data pipelines run in the cloud. OneLake provides a single data foundation. Fabric Data Factory simplifies orchestration power. BI integrates natively for real-time insights. Fabric removes tool fragmentation and enables faster innovation. Migrating SSIS to Fabric enables scalable cloud pipelines, reduced infrastructure costs, simplified monitoring and governance, faster deployment cycles, AI-ready data architecture. It's not just migration, it's a shift to modern data engineering. At Office Solution AI Labs, we created Pulse Convert, an automation platform designed to accelerate SSIS to Fabric migration. Pulse Convert automatically converts SSIS packages, workflows, and transformation logic into Fabric-ready pipelines. Instead of months of manual rebuilding, organizations can migrate faster with built-in validation and enterprise governance. Office Solution AI Labs specializes in AI-driven enterprise modernization, helping organizations transition legacy BI and data platforms into Microsoft-powered analytics ecosystems. Planning your SSIS to Fabric journey. Request a demo of Pulse Convert and see how your legacy pipelines can become Fabric-ready, faster than you think. Modern data starts with Fabric.